And I come from a region na, so I'm Bicolana, so hindi masyadong yung mga festivals doon, except of course for Tanya Francia, pero ibang-iba yung celebrations, no? And so it's something new to me. Well, not new, but it's something I find it really amazing because of the intergenerational devotion that I saw. When tribes were introduced, sobrang taon na ang binilang na sila ay namamanata and have been participating in the Dinagyang. And I saw how resourceful and creative Ilonggos are with their costumes, intricate costumes and props. So I would say, I think, I do believe that yung sinasabi natin dito na the best festival in the country is Dinagyang. And I'm happy that we're given that opportunity again to celebrate face-to-face and hold activities face-to-face, because I think that's been what we have been looking forward to, the interpersonal, the human-to-human connection that we have been missing for the past few years.
Thank you, Arnie. Yes, Ma'am Pearl, may question.